Hi friends, and welcome back to Violin Teacher. Today I'm getting back to the Bériot study that we have been doing, which will start with the B minor scale. And so I want to give you a few little tips about that. So if you want to hear about the B minor scale, just one octave today, stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up, and here we go. Okay, so B minor. Look at our key signature. We have two sharps. So that means that we're going to play a C sharp every time. C sharp is 2 on the A string. So we're going to play that C sharp kind of faithfully in this scale. Let's go through it. Starting on B, natural. So it's like a whole step from 1. Then we stretch the 3. Okay. Then Bériot has us place the 4 and then the open string, so we split the open string measure. E natural, just where you'd expect it to be. F sharp, that's in the key signature. And G sharp now. Why do we play G sharp? Well, that is the 6th, I think the G is the 6th step of the scale, and in melodic minor, we will often find that going up the scale, we raise the 6th and 7th step of the scale. And here we do the same. So G sharp and then A sharp, another whole step, and that's kind of an extension for the 4th finger. Then we play a B, and it's kind of a stretch, folks. So tune as you go. You get 4 notes per measure, and tune it as you go. If you don't hit it the first time, get it where it needs to be. So then the B natural, C sharp, D natural. Now, since your 3rd finger just played a G sharp, it's going to want to play a D sharp on the A. Our fingers remember their last positions, don't they? So actually we're going to have to remember to play D natural there. Okay, then again on the E we split from 4th finger to open E, so make sure you get that 4 really in tune, or your open string is going to tell on you. And then F sharp, G sharp again, the 6th step of the scale is raised, A sharp is raised again, then B natural will be a half step from A sharp. At this point, we're going to go down the scale, so we're going to take away those raised settings and play an A natural and a G natural. So you'll notice that as you're going down in melodic minor scales, that the 6th and 7th steps return to their natural positions. And by that I mean according to the key signature. Okay, then F sharp, open E. So he reverses that on the way down. He plays the open string. He has us play the open string and then 4th finger. So really hear the notes in your mind before you play. So your main objective in the scale work is intonation. Don't worry about vibrato. Use a good big bow, but if you want a vibrato just a little bit, that's fine, but mainly intonation is our big thing. Okay, so going down, here we are on E, then natural D right here, natural 3rd finger on the A, C sharp as in the key signature, B natural, A, and then 4 as we split the open string, G natural 3rd finger, F sharp as in the key signature, 1st finger, E, and then open D, split with 4th finger on G. Good intonation practice there. And then don't forget that C sharp that follows the second to the last measure. You'll see an H period, T period, where Bériot is giving you a little clue that it's a half tone away from the previous note. And that means setting fingers tips touching. And then the last note is a half note, which be sure that you hold that fully till the 3rd beat. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to first play the scale, and I've set my metronome at 60 beats per minute. It feels a little fast, and you'll see that the duet part is just crazy with accidentals and rhythms and stuff. So, but hopefully this will fit together when I do the editing. Okay, guys, let's do the main scale together, and then we'll turn around and put the duet part with it. Good luck!